Hey everyone, how's it going? Lap here. Today I'm going to go over a topic that somebody on Instagram asked me. Uh, is that how Amazon FBA exactly works? I believe some people still don't know what it is, which is fine um, not everybody has dived into everything, online, e-commerce, stuff like that. Some people know about affiliate marketing, or somebody knows about SMMA, whatever it is. FBA in a nutshell, if you want the short, I'll put the short version first, so that way what it is. So the short version is that Amazon does all the packing for you. They ship it for you. They store it for you. You just pay them a fee, and that's it. You don't have to deal with it. All you have to do is look for the product and ship it to them. Okay, that's the short version. The long version would be the rest of the video. If you want to know more about you know, how it all works, how people look for what tools you look for, where you get your supplier, then stick around. I'll explain everything to you. If not, it's okay. I understand. Okay, so. Amazon FBA is, more of a newer thing that a lot more people are doing, as opposed to a couple years back. People still do it, but maybe like be anything beyond 5 to 8 years, it doesn't even exist because um, Prime wasn't a thing back then. That's probably one of the big thing. Uh, Amazon Prime, you don't know what that is. Amazon Prime is just a membership. You can sign up with Amazon that you get more benefits like Amazon Prime videos, music, and of course the best benefit you can get is free 2-day shipping for any listing that has Prime. So when you do Amazon FBA, they will make your listing Prime eligible. So anybody who purchases from your listing gets 2-day shipping, as opposed to if you do it yourself. You can take a couple of days to a week to 2 weeks. Like depending, how much order you do. If you have to pack it yourself, ship it yourself, go to the post office or FedEx, drop it off, and all that stuff. So when you do FBA, you don't have to do any of that. Amazon takes care of everything for you. All you have to do is just go look for a product, go find a supplier, and ship it to Amazon. Um, that's what you have to do. Of course, you still have the storefront site on Amazon that you have to take care of, like a listing, the advertisement. Um, but the good thing is that Amazon already has so many customers just going around, like on their website. You can generate traffic just on Amazon and make a lot of money out of it. Not like drop shipping where a lot of people go more like Facebook advertising or Google, stuff like that. I mean, you can do that for your listing on Amazon to make it go even faster, but it's not really needed unless it's really competitive. Okay, so I'm gonna dive into like the websites and the tools that I use for Amazon FBA. I'll also leave a link in the description below so you can go check them out. Okay, all right. So of course, the research tool that I use is called Jungle Scout. What it does is that it pull up all the numbers, of like what is this? A marshmallow roasting stick. Okay, and it'll pull up all the numbers, all the price, all the sales, all the reviews in just one page. So that way, you don't have to go through them one by one trying to figure out what is trying to figure out how the numbers are. It will just automatically generate for you, and they'll be like, oh, it's medium demand, low competition, and your score out of 10 is 8 to have a success. Okay, uh, it's $100 for this tool. I believe the one shown right here is $200, but $100 one would be enough. And there's not a web app where this actually where you go out there and find products that Jungle Scout themselves think it's you put in like a certain algorithm. I'll go into the research technique on another video. This is just overview of how Amazon works. Okay, so this basically that's what it is, and the $40 one is more like where you can go out there and hunt for products. Okay, of course, this is a website that everybody goes to get not everybody, but most people go to. You can go to DHgate if you want, but the one I go to is Alibaba. I like it better because it has a lot, a lot of suppliers. They're all very interactive with you. And everything. You can find a lot of stuff here too. They can sell. Um, Jungle Scout is just one of the method, but Alibaba is another method. Again, there'll be another video sometime later on. Okay, alright, so there's that, and Jungle Scout, that's pretty much it for the tools that I use. You just, research and source. And then, of course, to do listings and stuff like that, taking pictures and stuff like that, I just go to Fiverr. You can have somebody take a picture for you. You can even have somebody write the listing for you if you want. But it's up to you. Or if you're super lazy, you just don't want to do anything, you can pay somebody to do a research for you too. But I don't really recommend it because a lot of times those people just give you stuff that's good and it gets saturated in a bit because they give it to everybody and everybody jumps on it, and then like the product you see is good, now in like a month it's just oversaturated, super oversaturated, because everybody's jumping on it. The guy's giving it to like you and then 20 other people. That's my experience from it, so just stay away from that. Okay, and of course I'll leave link in my description as well for this Jungle Scout and all that. Okay, alright, so I hope you get like a feel of how Amazon FBA works. If you think you still have any questions after this or anything you want to learn on Amazon, feel free to drop me a comment, and I'm more than happy to go over it with you, kind of see how I can help you guys out. That's what this channel is for. Okay, and that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure you hit the subscribe button with the bell, so that way every time when I upload a video, you'll be the first to know. Take care.